Well, hello, Big Red with you. I'm doing a boat repair today. Yeah, I picked this boat up from a friend of mine. Only paid a couple $100 for it. It's got a 70 horse Evinrude on it. It's an 86, and I hooked it up to the earmuffs, the water, and unfortunately it's got a head gasket leak. So I got one ordered, and we're gonna tear that apart today and replace the head gasket. So come on with me. Take this cap off, see what we see. Put you right there. It's kind of weird because it looks like a fairly new head gasket too. Doesn't look too old. But now we're taking the plugs off. At least the wires. Spin them out of the way. Electric power. Work smarter, not harder. Except for the bottom two. Get to it.
The bottom two bolts that I can't get to with my impact. This is coming out pretty good.
Yeah, he definitely had it apart, so that is a new head gasket. Why is it leaking? A lot of these are loose. Maybe that's why it's only $200. Yeah, that popped off way too easy. Plugs are brand new. Cylinders look good. You can tell it's been sitting a while. A couple lines where cylinders were sitting. Not too bad. Oh, that's why. You got the wrong head gasket. Yep. That's the top of the head gasket. You gonna focus? So that's where it's leaking, right up here. So he's got the old style or the new style. Now, which one did I get? I don't remember. But yeah, he had the wrong head gasket in there. That'd be why she's leaking, which is probably why the head was so loose, because he realized he messed up. So let me get the other one. I'll show you. Well, here. You can see the Not too bad. Clean that up a little bit. Look pretty decent. See, top of the head gasket. This is the right one. So that'd be why I was leaking. And yes, that is a new head gasket. It looks like it's been on and off a couple times. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this new one on it. That might be an easy fix. I was kind of scared when the head gasket, usually they're a cracked head or something from sitting and freezing, but this one didn't look like it was coming from the head when it was leaking. I should have got it on video, but I didn't. But I'll get it on video this time. Victor! Doesn't say this side up or down. I'm just gonna put it on this way. Line her up. Looks good. All right, we're gonna get the razor blade. I'll run and grab the razor blade so I can clean up the mating surfaces. I'll be back. Scraper, paint thinner, paper towels. Cleaned up for good enough for a redneck. So yeah, let's reassemble this and get it torqued down. I said it's kind of coning out, so I'm going to put the cone out so the head will push it in. Get them all started, and we'll tap them in with the impact. Try to Google the torque specs, which I know I said I'm a redneck, but when it comes to heads and stuff like that, I'll torque because I don't want no leaks or warpage. Start the middle. Work your way out in a circular pattern. Whoop, that was probably a little hard. I'm gonna go get a socket, or a ratchet I meant, because that wrench was a pain in the butt to get in there. Oops, I'm pretty sure I can fit a ratchet down in there. Oh yeah, much easier than a wrench. If I can get with hand first. Or my fingers go numb. All the way in. Maybe not. Alright, now I need to Google torque specs, which is kind of hard because my phone's right there. Yeah, you, pointing at you. So, pause, we're going to Google torque specs, and I'll be back. Alright, this all says 18 to 20 foot-pounds, work around the start of the center, work around each cylinder, going outwards. So, let me go get a torque wrench. Alright, torque wrench sent for 20 foot-pounds. Is the camera gonna focus? No, I don't want it. 20 foot-pounds. Let me get it to work. Yeah. Don't crap. Sign. This side's already loose. Click. Click. A half inch drive, half inch, because with the extension it ain't gonna fit in there. That one's still too long. Looks like this one's about the same. I'm taking the motor part. I'm just gonna go back through it. Double check. Alright, so I can't reach that one with a torque wrench. I'm going to use this torque wrench. You can feel how tight this feels. Good enough for the rednecks. Plug wires. That's it. Right? Right. I'll clean up my tools real quick. Hook up the water and see if it leaks. Alrighty, I moved you back here. Hopefully the exhaust won't get too loud. Waiting for the water to come down the hose. And hook up the fuel tank. There she goes. Alright. There. There's nothing. Or not. Alright, she runs. As you can see, I got nothing water coming out of the... No water coming out of the hose, so I'll make sure it's not plugged first. Yep, she's plugged. So you can see there's water there. Yep, she's plugged. So let me go clean this out, and we'll go back with you. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but this here, just a hose that hooks up to the crankcase, allows the water, but and water usually shoots out of there, let you know the water pump's working. Nothing. So I'm going to clean this out. Alrighty, all cleaned out. Let's try it again. Of course, that one's broken, but it don't matter. Put the water back on. Temp 2. One small fuel leak, but it's gonna be an easy fix. Looks like the carburetor drain plug is just loose. I can sit there and move it with my hand, so I'm gonna get the wrench real quick. Wrench. Mud pit. Check. All right, check them all just in case. The other two were kind of tight, so. But not too bad for 200 bucks. Taking a tour of the boat real quick. And you see, obviously it didn't come with these seats. Had those reclining cruiser seats on it, but we're gonna use it for a fishing boat, so took those out. They're down the scrap pile. Got some posts we're gonna put down on the floorboards. The front seats were all rotted, so I took them out and I'm gonna make a deck. That's kind of chippy. Woo woo. Make a deck for the front so we can stand up. Put a post seat back here for the butt. Trolling motor, he added that. But I'm going to reconfigure that. That's an eyesore, so I'm gonna take that off. At least paint them or get some treated ones or put a good coat on them, wrap them in carpet or something. We'll figure out what I'm going to do with that. But yeah, not too bad. He put a brand new jack on it, brand new boat winch on it. It's got brand new tires on the trailer itself, but the spare is blown. So he just wanted it gone. The main reason why he sold it, I'll show you real quick. It's because this was a VRO engine, which is oil injection. And when he was messing with the carburetors, he broke off one of the nipples on the VRO pump, which getting a new one, it's like $600. So I just put in one of these, just a regular standard marine fuel pump, and I'm just going to mix the gas. So he said it's a two-stroke, so I'm going to mix a two-stroke right in the gas tank, and you don't have to worry about it. Good enough for me and fishing I'm going to be doing with it. So yeah, so not too bad. She is water ready now, so the next nice day that I got time, me and my buddy, we're going to go take it down to the river, lake, something, store her in there and see how we're going to like it, and go from there if we're going to keep it or not. Because we're two big guys. As you can tell, I'm big. My buddy George, he's big, and we need a bigger boat. Our little jump boat just don't cut it for big guys. So yeah, so there you have it. That's how easy it is to do a head gasket, so don't feel intimidated to try to work on yourself. It was pretty easy. Most hard part of it was finding the torque specs and the sequence, but most of y'all heads are easy, and they're usually most the same. You start in the center, work your way out. And I said, found on a couple forums that it's 18 to 20 pounds. You do it twice to make sure, and you're supposed to get a retorque, check the retorque after the heat cycle, just to make sure after the motor gets nice and warm and settled, which I'm going to sit out here and let it run a little bit longer to do that, get it nice and warm, but you don't need to see that. So yeah, so as of right now, I'm signing off, and that was a quick and easy head gasket replacement on a 1985 70 horse Evinrude outboard motor. Well, that's actually, and it wasn't even a bad head gasket, it's the wrong head gasket. So quick, easy replacement for you there for you guys. You guys know. So yeah, peace out, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.